What's up, YouTube? This is one of my first videos, so I'm gonna get right into it. Right now, all I'm doing is just combing my hair. The things that you would need to use for this hairstyle is Eco Styling Gel, any kind of gel really, edge control, a brush, a comb, and bobby pins. Right now, all I'm doing is just putting gel on the perimeters of my hair to put my hair in a ponytail. The ponytail doesn't have to be too tight, but just firm enough to where, it won't fall. Right now, I'm just putting my hair in the little ponytail or bun. After I put it in a ponytail, I'll wrap it around and bobby pin it into the bun. Now, I'm taking some Say Me hair. It's synthetic blend hair. I will leave that in the description box. All I'm doing is just about to wrap it around my ponytail or my bun, and I'm wrapping it where like it's not in, like just wrapping it to where like the outside of the hair is leaning forward, if that makes sense. You would just see. Now I'm just bobby pinning it to make it secure. Now all you do is just wrap it around until into the bun, and then you can bobby pin it to your liking or adjust it to your liking. Now I'm just putting Eco Styling Gel on my edges just to soak my edges. I use edge control too. The edge control that I used was the 24-hour edge control tamer. And now I'm just bobby pinning the sides. This is the end of the video really. So like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I will leave everything that I use in the description bar. Thanks for watching. See you next time.